Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to display role members separately on Discord. So sometimes you may have a Discord server and you want people with a specific role to be displayed differently. This is useful because sometimes if you want the administrators to be seen as differently, that will help. So to achieve this, what we need to do is go to our Discord server right here and go to the top left and click on our server drop down. After clicking on this, we'll click on server settings. Once on server settings, on the left side, you'll see a list of options. We'll click on roles. Then once on roles, we'll select the role we want to change. So I'm going to change the administrator role to be displayed differently. And then on the edit role window, if we scroll down, we will find an option that says display role member separately from online members. We will toggle this on. And once we do this, it will ask us if we want to save the changes. So we'll click on save changes. So this is how you display a role member separately on Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.